One question we commonly receive is, how do I protect the name of my practice? Many of you have hired marketing companies, you've hired others to help you come up with an intriguing, fun, and unique name for your practice. And so the question is, how do you protect it? Well, there's always a couple of things you can do. The initial things is you want to file a fictitious business name with your county and then also filing it with the state. This is important because whether you're a dentist, an optometrist, or a veterinarian, your board may require you to file the fictitious name with them and get that approval. But what's important is that you also file it with the county. So no one in your county can use that same name. Now, what if you wanted to protect that name nationally or throughout the state? What you want to do there is to file what's called a federal trademark. And a federal trademark protects your name unless it's been taken by someone else who's using it for the same purposes. You can protect your name nationally as opposed to just statewide or locally. Now, it is a process. It takes anywhere from 6 to 9 months from beginning to end, but on the date that you file, your protection begins. Now, what kind of things can you file for a federal trademark? Well, you can file a name. It could be a simple name, or it could be a more unique name. The more unique the name, the more protective or protection you receive from the federal trademark because it's unique. The more generic it is or more descriptive it is, such as San Francisco General Dentistry or something of that nature, or Main Street Dental, something of that nature is not as protected as if you had a more unique name for your practice. Now, you can also file a federal trademark for your logo. Now, some logos are really unique. Some logos are very specific to your office. Those you can file, and then that logo is protected nationally as well. And so those are two separate filings. You can't combine them, and there are strategies for doing that effectively, but it's something we highly, highly recommend because if you don't, then someone else in another part of the country or in another part of the state can use a name very similar to yours, and in some situations can also use a logo that might be very similar to yours. So that federal trademark really protects you. Now, does it protect you from people who have had a similar name back in time who may also be using that but haven't filed a federal trademark? Well, the answer to that is no. Once you file the trademark, you're preventing somebody new from using it. But if someone else is using that name, they just simply haven't done the trademark, they can continue using it under current law. All right. If you have any questions, please reach out. We can walk you through the process. It's very simple and straightforward, although it does take about 6 to 9 months to complete from beginning to end. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks.